So welcome back everyone, Triple M here. Today we're taking a look at a smart power strip, and this is from Gosund. Now this is a very cool device, and I probably going to pick a couple more up after I'm done with this review. So cool thing about this is it does come with 3 standard plugs. It does also have 3 USB ports. Now each one of these can operate independent of each other. That means you can plug one thing in outlet number 1, one thing in outlet number 2 and 3, as well as USB ports. Then you can turn them on and off independently. To add on to that, you can connect this to your smart devices, so your Google Home, your Amazon. Then you can control them not just from the app, but you can also use your voice to turn stuff on and off, and this can better help you automate your house. So this video we're going to do unboxing, we're going to do a setup, of course, connected to my smart devices, and just see how it works overall. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So big shout out to Gosund for sponsoring this video. This does come in black as well as white, so you do get 2 color options. As far as some of the specifications and features, of course, we're going to have the voice control. You do have the smart app that we're going to go ahead and set up today. You can set timers, you can set schedules, you can set a countdown. That way you can turn it off automatically after a certain period of time. Now the voltage is going to be 110 volt. As far as the USB, you're going to get 3.1 amp on the outputs. So not a super fast charger, but it's going to be able to get the job done. So first thing in the box is going to be the quick start guide / manual. Basically it's going to tell you what's in the box, how to set everything up, how to connect it to your smart devices. Now after that we have the main device. It is a 3-pronged plug. The length of the cable is probably about 3 to 4 feet. Now on the device itself you can see the ports as well as the LED above each section. We do have the 3 plugs. Up top we have the LED indicators, kind of show you if they're on and off. Same thing for the USB. One LED is going to control all 3 USB ports, and we do have a main power off switch. On the back you have a circuit breaker, and this is going to trip if it's overpowered or overloaded, whatever the case is. Just press it in and it should restore power. Now I got the device plug in, and you can see that the LED around the power button is just kind of pulsating. So if it's doing a fast flash, you can tell that it is in pairing mode. You can turn all the ports on by just simply hitting the button, and you should see the red LED kind of let you know that everything is on. Flashing means that it's ready to be paired to the application. So what we're going to do is head over to my phone, get the app installed, and then we're going to do some more tests. So once you have the Gosund application installed, you need to go ahead and set up your account. So all you need to do here is just put in your email. We will send the verification. Go ahead and put in the code and you should be all set. Set up the password. Now you have the option to add your device. So click on add, then you're going to click on power strip. Now you need to connect this to your Wi-Fi network. Now keep in mind this only works on the 2.4 gigahertz. So if you're on the 5 gigahertz network, you need to go ahead and just swap it and just make sure you're on the 2.4 gigahertz. Once that's verified, go ahead and put in your Wi-Fi password. Now it's going to tell you to head over to your device, hold the power button for 5 seconds until you see that ring around the power button flashing rapidly. Once it's done, click next. It should find your device. Then you can go ahead and change the name to whatever best suits you. On mine, I changed it to Smart Power Strip. Then I went ahead and saved it. So I actually love the interface of this, guys. You can see the 3 standard plugs on top. Below you're going to have a USB, and if you notice on the power strip, while you're turning them on and off, the LEDs are going to illuminate, just letting you know that they have power, and it happens instantly. So pretty cool. On top you're going to have the main on and off button, so you can kill all the power to all the ports and plugs just by using that main button in the application. Below is going to be the USB, and that one's kind of hidden, but it is down there. That's what that little icon is, and that kills the power to the 3 USB ports. So with all that done, you still have the options to go in and name each individual plug or port. So what I did is I named the 2 plugs, the first 2, so left lamp and right lamp, and I'll be testing that out in a little bit, and also change the name of the USB to USB power. Now in the application you do have options to add your schedule. So maybe you want to have one of your devices come on at a certain time or turn off at a certain time. You can go ahead and add that, and that's pretty simple. You can do it for the 3 outlets individually or the 3 USB ports together. So basically I was able to add that schedule there. It was pretty straightforward. You also have the option to set a countdown, which just counts down to a certain period, and then it'll kill the power to whichever outlet you select. So you can see right there, I was able to set those 2 options up within a couple minutes. So if you click on the settings, you have your device information, automation options. We also have the third-party applications, and this is where you can pair your Amazon and you can pair your Google Home. So if you have the Amazon application on your phone or the Google Home application. This is going to be straightforward, guys. Just click on whichever one you want. It will jump between the Gosund application and your Amazon or Google application, and then for Amazon it'll add the scale, for Google will add that option, and that's basically it. So that really didn't take a lot of work. Click on whatever option you want and then it happens almost instantly. So with this added, guys, now you can either control the application from your Amazon or your Google Home application, or you can do it with a voice control in your house if you have a Google Home or Amazon Alexa. So got it all hooked up, got it paired, and we're going to test it out. So if you look to the left, we're going to have a headphone stand right there that is connected via USB. We then have the left lamp, we have the right lamp. We also have another headphone stand right there. Now on the headphone stand, they are connected via USB, so when I do turn the USB power off, you should see the lights go out on those. Currently they're on. You'll see that the USB is pulsating. Same thing right here. If you guys look right here, you can see that we do have some USB power and also have a phone charging right here, which you will see go in and out. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Alexa, turn off USB. You can see both of those got disconnected. Alexa, turn on USB. Alright, so you can see those power on. You can see the phone is charging now. Let's go ahead and try the lamps. Alexa, turn on left lamp. Turn on right lamp. And of course, if you guys just wanted to kill power to everything, you can go ahead and just hit the switch. So you guys know I can't do everything here from the app, so let's try the USB first. You can see that turn on both USB devices. Switch 3 was empty, but switch 2 is going to be the right lamp. Left lamp is going to be switch 1. And you can see I can go ahead and turn those off as well. So Google's already paired, and the cool thing about Google is that it actually went in and it already grouped everything into one. You can see right here office lights, so that should essentially control both of them. So let's try it out. Turn on office lights.
Okay, turning 2 lights on.
Let's try something else. Turn off left light.
Alright, turning off the left lamp.
Turn off right lamp.
Sure, turning the right lamp off.
Turn off USB.
Sure, turning off the USB power.
So overall, I think this is a great device, especially what it does and at its price point. Currently it's $19.99. There is a coupon code which give you 10%, but I'll also reach out to see if I can get any available coupon codes for you. If you guys have any questions about this device, drop it in the comments. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Smash a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.